Hello students, welcome to English class. Students, the first chapter, the fun they had is going on. In the last video, we have learned two paragraphs of this lesson. Now, we are going to learn from the third paragraph. Margie was scornful. School. What is there to write about school? I hate school. In the two paragraphs, you read that Margie was very unaware of the present time school. When Tommy found a real book, he said in surprisingly manner, Tommy found a real book. In this reference, the book was about the school. When he asked Tommy what is about, the Tommy said school. Then Margie was scornful. Scornful means contemptuous, disliking manner. Margie disliked school. What is there to write about school? I hate school. Why they write about school? Margie hated school. Margie does not like school. Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. Margie always disliked school, but in present time he hated it more. The mechanical teacher had been giving the test after test in geography, and she had been going worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. The mechanical teacher. Here mechanical teacher means the computer or robotic teacher had been giving her test after test. Why Margie disliked school? Because the mechanical teacher giving test after test in geography. Geography is a subject. And she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully. Sorrowfully means painfully. He does not clear his test. He is unable to understand the geography subject. When her mother painfully shaken her head and sent for the county inspector. County inspector means mechanic who prepare a computer or robotic teacher. Her mother saw her record and he sent it to the county inspector or mechanic. मीन्स कंप्यूटर ख़राब हो गया है, उसमें वह अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस नहीं दे पा रही है. उसकी माँ जब नोटिस करती है तो कंप्यूटर को रिपेयर करने के लिए काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर को बुलाती है, एक मैकेनिक को बुलाती है. ही वॉज अ राउंड लिटिल मैन विद अ रेड फेस एंड अ whole box of tools with dials and wires. He was a round little man. He means a mechanic. The mechanic was a round little face. His face was round with a red face and red faces man. Very white man. White and reddish texture in her face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. And he took a box which is full of wires and tools. Because he is a mechanic, so his bag is full of wires and tools. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. He looked at the Margie and smiled, and he also gave her an apple. Then took the teacher apart. After that, he took the teacher and differentiate its parts. टीचर मीन्स हियर टीचर मीन्स अ कंप्यूटर और रोबोटिक टीचर. तब उसने कंप्यूटर को देखा और उसके पार्ट्स को अलग किया. मार्गी हैड होप्ड ही वुडंट नो हाउ टू पुट इट टुगेदर अगेन. मार्गी होप्ड, मार्गी वांट्स दैट ही वुडंट नो हाउ टू पुट इट टुगेदर अगेन. मार्गी सोच रही है कि यह इसको बनाना ना जाने, फिर से कैसे इसको जोड़ना है या कैसे बनाना है इसको ना पता हो. बिकॉज सी डिसलाइक रीडिंग, सी डिसलाइक स्कूल्स. but he knew how all right. But the mechanic know very well how to prepare this machine. And after an hour or so, there it was again. Means after an hour it is repaired. Large and black and ugly with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown. कैसा है कंप्यूटर या टीचर कैसा है? लार्ज एंड ब्लैक एंड अगली, बड़ा सा काले रंग का भद्दा सा, विद अ बिग स्क्रीन, जिसके पास एक बड़ी सी स्क्रीन है, विच ऑल द लेसन्स वर सोन, एंड ऑन द स्क्रीन ऑल द लेसन्स were shown and the questions were asked and the teacher starting to ask questions. That was not so bad. It was not so bad. यह इतना बुरा नहीं था. The part Margie hated most, बल्कि बुरा क्या था? The part Margie hated most was the slot. Slot means a space, give a space on the computer where homework and a special space and time where the homework put on. एक ऐसा स्पेस, ऐसी जगह जहाँ पर विद्यार्थी अपने होमवर्क को फीड करते हैं चेक करने के लिए. Slot where she had to put homework and test papers. Margie does not hated the screen of the computer. He does not hated the computer, but he hated the most part of the computer, which is known as slot, where she have to put her homework and test papers. She always had to write them out in a punch code. Punch code is a special साइन कोड, सांकेतिक भाषा, कोई सांकेतिक भाषा जिसको कंप्यूटर समझता हो. She always had to write them out in a computer. Margie always write his answers and test papers in a punch code. They made her learn when she was 6 years old. They learned the punch code method when she was 6 years old. जब वो 6 year old की थी तभी उसको पंच कोड बता दिया गया था कि कंप्यूटर में अपने आंसर्स को किस पंच कोड में बताना है. And the mechanical teacher calculate the marks in no time. And after that, the mechanical teacher means computer calculate the marks which he received. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. The inspector means the mechanical smiled after she was finished. When he was repaired the computer, he patted Margie's head. Patted means थपथपाया, प्यार से थपथपाना. He said to her mother. The mechanic said to her mother, "It is not the little girl's fault, Mrs. John." Addressing Margie's mother, Mrs. John, the mechanic said, "It is not the little girl's fault." Means it is not the fault of Margie. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. Geared means adjusted to a particular level. एक पर्टिकुलर लेवल पर कंप्यूटर को एडजस्ट किया जाता है बच्चों के एज के अकॉर्डिंग. तो क्या हो गया था? अ लिटिल टू क्विक, वो थोड़ा बढ़ गया था. दोज थिंग्स हैपन समटाइम्स. कह रहा है मैकेनिक, ज्योग्राफी सेक्टर का लेवल थोड़ा बढ़ गया था, मार्गी के एज से ऊपर हो गया था. दोज थिंग्स हैपन समटाइम्स. दिस प्रॉब्लम्स हैपन समटाइम्स, ऑकर समटाइम्स. आई हैव स्लोड इट अप. मैंने इसको कम कर दिया, धीमा कर दिया है. एन एवरेज 10 years लेवल मीन्स आई हैव एडजस्टेड दिस मशीन and the average of 10 year level because Margie is 11 years old. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory. The mechanic said to her mother, the Margie's progress was very satisfactory. He was good at reading. And he patted Margie's head again. He also patted her head again. प्यार से उसके सर को फिर से थपथपाया. मार्गी वॉज डिसअपॉइंटेड. मार्गी निराश हो गई थी. शी हैड बीन होपिंग दे वुड टेक द टीचर अवे ऑल टुगेदर. शी हैड बीन होपिंग दैट द टीचर would not repair and I am free from reading. They had once taken Tom's teacher. वो सोचती थी कि टीचर को ले जाएं और ना बना पाएं. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month. ये टॉमी के टीचर को तो एक बार 1 मंथ के लिए ले गए थे, यानी 1 महीने तक टॉमी का टीचर खराब रहा. बिकॉज द हिस्ट्री सेक्टर हैड ब्लैंक्ड आउट कम्प्लीटली. बिकॉज द हिस्ट्री सेक्टर ऑफ द कंप्यूटर मशीन टोटली इरेज्ड. हिस्ट्री सेक्टर पूरी तरह से इरेज्ड हो चुका था, डिस्ट्रॉय हो चुका था, इसलिए उसमें बनाने में 1 महीने का समय लग गया. सो मार्गी सेड दैट Tommy's teacher being a time of 1 month, take a time of 1 month to be repaired, and Tommy was free for 1 month, but I am not free. So she said to Tommy, why would any more write about school? So she said Tommy with this disappointing manner, why would any more write about school? स्कूल के बारे में इतना क्यों लिखा जाता है? School, I dislike school. Students, revise these paragraphs. This lesson will be continued in another video.